Even as we work as a party to ensure that we have violence, an election free of violence. I also take this opportunity to apologize to the Honorable Raila Odinga for what happened to him yesterday. It was really unfortunate, and I hope those who engaged in this exercise regret what they did. We will roll out the party structures to work with the security agencies so that we can get to the root of this act, which is most unfortunate, and we will demonstrate our commitment to an election that is peaceful by making sure that we take the necessary steps to ensure that all our members, all our candidates, and our entire party engages in this election on the basis of ideas and not any acts that are as unfortunate as we saw yesterday.